Aloha kakahiaka. Good morning. I don't know how my vlogs always start in the morning because y'all already know my nocturnal ass. I only slept less than an hour. I tried sleeping, but honestly, it was so hard. It is 7:45 right now, which is just around my bedtime. We're about to hop on a little plane, and not just any plane, a freaking private jet. I'm so excited. I cannot believe we're about to go on a PJ right now. Shout out to Morphe for booking James a jet, cause like honestly, I'm so excited. I cannot wait. This is my outfit for the day. A little Sisters Apparel lavender hoodie, my favorite color in the world. Some denim jeans and some AF1s. Comfy, cozy, you know the fucking vibes. This one's honestly my favorite Sisters repeat hoodie. Are we ready to hele?
Yeah.
Which means go in Hawaiian. This is your outfit, my outfit.
Mine's better.
Matching shoes. Don't ever. You wish yours was better.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Those medical pills all push me over.
So bright.
I kill my fill 3 times a day. These ethanol fumes won't make me sober. One flame to take the pain away. I caught you lighting matches in the back room. Haters look mad when they pass you. Let's talk about around when it's past due. Reach a glass, do no. You don't gotta fight alone.
Got her to the cooking by the book.
Oh my.
James, you only spilled a little.
Look at my leg right now.
Oh, me. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to
What do I even do?
subscribe.
How does my face even look in daylight right now?
Your contour's hard.
Really?
No, it doesn't look that harsh from over here.
It looks harsher on this side.
Oh.
It's like we need to bake it down and blend it out.
We'll get a nice cleaning bill.
We got it done, but
We were making out.
Oh, okay. Was it just like
oh,
bumpy?
she was snatched.
I feel like this lighting looks dicker, Cassie.
Weapon. This is
Weapon.
Weapon. Vegas girls. This is all we need. Oh my god. Thank you, Morphe.
This is an I'm Drew Scott signature move.
A little photo shoot moment.
Everyone's seen death in their dreams, but we still wake up and go to sleep. Everyone's seen death in their dreams, but we still wake up from our sleep. I'll be home soon. You don't gotta fight alone. Alone. You don't gotta fight alone. You don't gotta fight alone. Don't be so personal. Take me out of the road. I'm going under. Take me out of the
Look who it is. Vegas girls. You know the vibes. Are you the lighting camera girl? What kind of shots? Oh, me. Oh, the light? Yeah. We just got to dinner. Oh, late lunch, taste test with the Morphe team. This light, too harsh for me. Go over there. Me. I slammed my finger. I didn't slam it. The door slammed on me in the bathroom.
And now you're using this ice.
Okay, first of all,
Why?
I didn't even notice that in the first one.
Quite on set.
F
Okay, wait, ready? It just gets worse and worse. Ready?
V.
Then you realize it's bald.
What?
What the effing vagina?
What are you doing? That doesn't do anything.
Hold the drill.
Behind you.
Photo shoot, girls.
This is looking really great.
Great. So I forgot my ID on the party bus. So we got a little Virgin Mary moment. The food has arrived. I got a French dip. And they don't have ranch here. That is illegal. What am I supposed to dip this in?
Ranch is disgusting.
Oh no, honey. Ranch is literally the only thing I can eat with fries. How is
Mayonnaise.
your meat, mama? She's good? So we just left dinner.
And we also left everybody else. Because me and Cassie decided to what?
Stay in Vegas, baby.
We don't know how we're getting home or
Where we're staying tonight or what we're wearing because we're literally
like
in our meet and greet outfit from today. But we'll figure it out.
You know us.
Period. You know the what?
vibe. You know the vibe.
vibes. She was popping last night. You guys, we don't even know what happened last night. We're watching everyone's snaps.
You guys, we stayed in fucking Vegas. Oh my god.
Ew, like your hair looks like that.
Mood. Sammy, are you gonna black out tonight?
We'll see.
Oh, now she is.
Oh, that's just gone.
Hi, girls. Mood. You know the fucking vibe. Woo! You know the fucking vibes. I still can't get over the cheetah girl shorts. You guys, I thought these were shorts. It was a freaking Halloween costume. They're all fuzzy. Well, I don't know about fabulous anymore. Bitch, we got a sports car. We're gonna be racing home. Seriously, I like your outfit. Thank you. Mine's even better. So we were gonna go home, but we said
We're hungry.
we're trying to eat first. It says we're supposed to get home in 3 hours and 57 minutes, but in Jesus time, what is that?
3 hours.
3 hours in this car. Wow, look who came to our rescue. Anne is filling us up. Goals. Do you like my outfit?
Yeah, you're cheating.
Yeah. We had a little bit of a hot girl summer this weekend. Isn't that right?
Mm-hmm.